What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some more examples regarding solving quadratic equations using the square root property, which have this kind of format: a times x minus h to the power of 2 equals to k. First example is x plus 2 to the power of 2 is 9. Answer is x plus 2 will be plus minus 3 because square root of 9 is plus minus 3. Then it will be x plus 2 equals to 3. Then we have 3 minus 2, which is 1. And the other one is x plus 2 is negative 3, which will be x equals to negative 5. So one answer is x equals to 1 and one answer is x equals to negative 5. Next example, m minus 5 to the power of 2 is 49. Answer is m minus 5 is plus minus 7 because square root of 49 is 7. Then I can say m minus 5 is positive 7. So m will be 7 plus 5. And when m minus 5 is negative 7, m will be negative 7 plus 5, which is negative 2. So m is negative 2. Next example is z minus 1 to the power of 2 equals to 64. So z minus 1, answer. Z minus 1 is square root of 64, which is plus minus 8. So z minus 1 is plus 8, or z minus 1 is negative 8. Therefore, z is 9 or z is negative 7. Next example, x plus 5 to the power of 2 is 4. Answer is m plus 5 is square root of 4, which is plus minus 2. So x plus 5 is 2, x plus 5 is negative 2. So x will be 2 minus 5 here, which is x equals to negative 3. And here x equals to negative 2, negative 5. So x will be negative 7. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you found it interesting, like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding different topics in math and science. You just need to simply go to the playlist and watch the video you like. Thank you and have a great day.